So in the continuation of previous video, let us see how to use the Yoast SEO plugin to conduct the readability analysis. Conducting readability analysis. In the last module, we discussed that readability analysis is the most significant part of content optimization. Readability means how easily visitor can read and understand the content of your web pages. Let's see how to conduct it with the help of Yoast SEO. Put some content in the post and Yoast will automatically conduct the readability analysis in the background. To see the report, click Readability Analysis. This report has three parts, indicated with three lights. Red light means there are serious problems. One should definitely take care of these problems. Yellow light means improvements are suggestive in nature and you may take a call to improve them. Green light means these are good. Now let us try to understand them one by one. First, we have passive voice. It says 17.4% of sentences contain passive voice, which is more than the recommended limit of 10%. Therefore, the message is clear that avoid using passive voice sentences in the content. Next, we have sentence length. It has been already discussed that we should avoid long sentences to have better readability of the text. In this example, around 39% of sentences contain more than 20 words, which is more than the recommended limit of 25%. So, there is a need to shorten the sentences. Next, we have improvement area. Here, there is a need to improve our flash reading score. In this example, it is 51.3%, which is fairly considered as difficult to read. You may read more about flash reading score by clicking it. According to Yoast SEO official page, a good web text can be easily understood by 13 to 15-year-olds. Further, flash reading score is measured on a scale of 0 to 100, where lower the number means the text is harder to read. Next, we have good results. Sentences are consecutive, that is great. Text has been divided into headings and subheadings. Paragraph length and transition of word is okay. Now let us run readability test on another set of text. There are three serious problems in the text. Flash reading score is very low, which indicate the text is difficult to read. Sentences consecutiveness is poor. Only 17.9% of sentences contain transition words. There is need to reduce the passive sentences from the text. Rest of the things are okay, like subheading distribution, paragraph length and sentence length. After readability analysis, now let us run SEO analysis on the same post. Before we run SEO analysis, it's very important to add focus key phrase of your post or page. Actually, it refers to an important keyword or keywords of your post and page which you think people might be using in search engines to search for your website. Like here, marketing research. Just insert the key phrase here. You can also insert more than one key phrase, keyword or synonyms, but these options are available in premium version only. Now click on SEO analysis. Your report is ready. It is just a reminder to add more keywords or related key phrases. You have to use the premium version. Now let us move to the analysis results. On the basis of SEO analysis, there are 5 problems in the content. Results are again shown in 3 lights, that is red, yellow and green. These three lights represent the same thing that we discussed in the previous section. First, we have outbound links. It says that no outbound link appear in the page. That means we have not inserted any external link in the text. That is very important from content optimization point of view. Same is the case with internal links. We haven't given any link on this page or post to the other elements of our website. Key phrase density. This is very important. The focus key phrase was used 32 times. That simply means this key phrase has been overused or repeated many times in the text, which is not good for keyword density point of view. Meta description length. It says no meta description has been specified. Don't worry, we know how to add meta description. Click on Edit Snippet and add meta description of adequate length. Next it says image alt attribution is missing. We haven't used any image in the text, which reduces the content variety in the post. The next section is about improvements. First is key phrase in the title. It is always recommended to use key phrase in the beginning of the paragraph. Then, SEO title width is too short. You can add few more relevant words to the SEO title from here or directly in the post title. Last, we have few good results as well, like we have used focus key phrase in the introduction. Key phrase length is okay. Key phrase has not been previously used. Text length of the full post is okay. We have used the key phrase in the slug. You can check it from here. That is all about SEO analysis. There are few more things about Yoast SEO plugin that you can use. Next time, when you will go to all post, it will show you 3 Yoast indicators along with each post or page. The first one is about use of internal links in the post. It shows there is no internal link in the post. Second, it shows SEO score, and thirdly, the reliability score. So, this was the working of Yoast SEO plugin. This is a very good tool when it comes to the on-page search engine optimization. I advise you to make use of this plugin in the future as well. Thank you so much.